Hello everyone and welcome to the Fall 2024 Major Challenge Theme Reveal video. This is the event where students from all across Canada come together to code a game as a team. You'll test your skills, collaborate with others, and have a chance to earn up to 20 points out of the 50 needed to qualify for the regional event. Participants will craft a game based on a specific theme, which I'll be revealing in just a moment. You'll have 30 days to bring your ideas to life. But without further ado, let's unveil this year's theme. The right tool for the job. What does this theme make you think of? Maybe an engineer that has to choose the right tools to fix his ship before time runs out. Or a chef in a high-stakes cooking competition, selecting the perfect ingredients to create the winning dish. Imagine a detective who needs to gather the right clues and use specialized gadgets to unlock a mystery. What about an artist choosing the right colors and brushes to bring a magical painting to life? And you could totally personalize it. Think about your own hobbies. You play an instrument? Try playing a song and integrating it into your own game. Maybe your characters use the right instrument or the right melody to unlock hidden paths or soothe a mythical creature. If you're into karate, consider designing a game where martial art techniques are essential tools for defeating enemies or solving challenges. Remember, it's all about picking the right tool for the job. And just a reminder, you don't have to have any completed mini challenges to participate in major challenges. So if you're excited about this theme, jump right in. You've got 30 days to submit your game, and I can't wait to play the top entries in front of all of you, as well as my audience. And I'm thrilled to see all the creativity and innovation that you will bring to the table. So gear up and get creative. Good luck, everyone.